Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. Let's see what's going on in the market. Let me set up something first and then I will begin my commentary. Um, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. All right, let's look at the daily chart first. So yesterday's bar was kind of negative. The previous day's bar was negative. So this is a daily chart. So I will take this bar or band and move it to my trading chart. It looks like the market has come down to take the liquidity that's below these lows, the yesterday's low and also this is swing low. It could take this liquidity and then start running to the upside. So here I'm going to set up my chart. So this red band is yesterday's range. All right, and somewhere in the middle, I will draw a line just to show the center line so that I can have an idea of what's yeah, so this is a kind of center line, and that center line could be a reaction zone, so that's why I have driven that. Uh, I have drawn that. Sorry, what did I say? Here I'm going to remove these previous drawings. All right. Having done that, I want to draw the opening range. The opening range on 5-minute chart yesterday was where was the opening range? Yeah, here. So market closed here, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So those who have joined would understand this is the range. So when market opened at 5 p.m. Central yesterday, it opened from here to and made a high till here. So that's my opening range. And that opening range was green in color. So let me draw that. Okay, so that's green. And now the market is somewhere here at, at the low of yesterday. Okay, so having drawn that, market could come down to take liquidity and then start running up. And if I try to short, I should short maybe at this level here, in this level where my crosshair is. If at all I should short there, or I should manage my risk if I short somewhere else. Buying opportunity has to be very careful because we are not sure when the market will take the liquidity and start running up. because market is still under selling pressure for last 2 days. So that's the reason. Now let me start my software here. This is a software that Sliver Bullet Pro that you guys know. So on this software, if at all I trade, I will short at this 1 SD level, at this level, or at the after this high is taken. So that's my plan. Now let's look at the other charts here. So here I see a very nice pattern. The market is at 21 SMA level. So I am going to take a short position here. I have already taken a short position, and then if market goes against me, I will add a contract here. So that's what I have done here. And those who joined yesterday, they would know that I had drawn a support level here, and market touched the support level a couple of times. And yeah, so until this market breaks this support level, it won't go down, it won't tend to go down. And then there is another support here. So I will draw that support after if this support level is broken. So net, in summary, the pressure is still on the short side. As soon as we hit some resistance and short, we would be profitable. So shorting is still my preferred method to make profit in today's market. Today means as of this calendar day. So I look for shorting opportunities. So here we completed one trade for $29. So MNQ trade happened, and just a small profit, but quick scalp, and I will place an order here at swing high. You see, just a small scalp with one micro contract. So these small trades help you build confidence when in the beginning of your trading day. Amount of profit is not does not matter. The confidence that you gain that your analysis is right is very important. And here this is the software, and I will take trades with the software when the market is at a resistance level like first 1 SD. So that's my quick analysis. I will just go and grab my beverage and come back in maybe less than a minute. So please stay there and we'll continue our trading. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's see what the market is doing. Here it touched, here I would tend to take a short position here. Let me do that. And the target will be the low of the previous candle. So at this moment, I'm just taking manual trades. When there is a movement in the market, I will start using the automated trading software as well. Ah, it almost reached the target and went back. So it happens so many times. Wherever I place the target, it just market would just go to close to the target and then reverse from there. I used to keep it below the swing low before, then at swing low. Now I have kept like good 2 points above the swing low, but still market did not touch it. It ran away. So it happens. I don't know how it happens, but it happens all the time. Anyway, so I have one position open here and waiting for, so it just reversed as you see. I'm tempted to bring my target here way down, but hopefully it comes down now, and I will raise my target to this level so that it's easy for the market to come down and give me profit. And one more thing I need to see is that the daily ATR, sorry, 1 minute ATR is around 14, and the market is below, where is the market? I'm sorry. The market is it below yesterday's close? Yes, it's below yesterday's close. Market is below yesterday's close. So let me show you guys what I'm seeing here. Market is here, yesterday's close was here, and the ATR on 1 minute chart is 14. Let me make sure that's the correct ATR I'm looking at. You know, it's at 13.6 on 1 minute chart. So all right, so here let's see, market is trying to come down again, and testing my patience. I want to close it but don't want to close it. Yes, that's another profitable trade against small one. So total $60 so far. I'm not going too aggressive. Just playing with micros at this moment, and or only seeing one contract of micros, particularly because market may take the liquidity from the bottom and run up, and I don't want to, so I'm not taking short trades, and I'm not going long because last days were red days. So um, two market views are opposing each other. They are not aligned. So I'm not trading with big size. All right. So let's see. Many of you want to know how I trade with automated software. I would like to show that, but at this moment, um, market doesn't have enough movement for me to show you trade with automated software. Here I have placed one more order, and wait to see if it gets filled. So I've taken one trade here. Now let me draw some trend lines. And this would be a trend line here. Market is below VWAP, and I can draw one trend line here. So and we have this wedge support line at yesterday's low. So market is kind of squeezed in this wedge corner. So not able to show you a whole lot of action because market is just down, in a very narrow range. Even though we had a couple of trades, small scalps. I haven't placed any trades here, so I will place one trade here. Right, second contract got added. So market is tending to grab liquidity from the top. I moved my targets to just a few points, assuming market will come down to 21 SMA line. All right, so let's see what's happening on the other chart. So here market is at 1 SD level. So I'll take a trade here. With the automated software. So super scalper strategy. When two negative bars are formed, it will place a trade. That's the idea here. So here I think it's going to take the third order as well. Okay, one contract got added. Market is coming up to grab additional liquidity. So taken one trade here. This one. And then if market goes against me, I'll place another trade here and move the target to a little higher so that it's at 1SD level. It move the target to 1SD level. And here we have, okay, here one trade got placed. So yeah, here. I'll add one more. So on 3 accounts, I have my trades. Let's see if market comes down. So it has reacted at 15 on a 15-minute chart, 21 SMA line. This green line is 21 SMA. That's where it reacted nicely. So let's see if it holds its reaction. Nope. It's grabbing higher to grab additional liquidity. So I want to close this position, not happy with it. It's a small loss here for $20, but I'm closing it. If it comes down, I will, okay, this time okay, I forgot to turn off uh, the button, so it took a trade here, which is fine. I'll stick with that. Okay, I was talking about this trade. A trade was taken by the software here, and I want to see if it comes down or plays with me. So actually there was a trade profitable here. I missed saying this. I don't know when it happened, but there was a profitable trade here. Hmm. I think I'm showing the wrong screen again. There was a profitable trade here on YRM Prop from $65. I still have two contracts open. So this is going to be my play. Okay, some rejection. There was some rejection here. Now market is waiting. I will close one position and keep the other one open and move this here, so that way I reduce my risk for any negative scenario, because I have trades open in 3 different accounts. Reducing risk is important, because when you're trading and end up with open positions in multiple accounts, it's good to close them close a few positions when you are at break even. Market seems to come down, but it's hanging there. Still waiting to figure out what to do. Those who joined me yesterday, I was saying market comes down one bar, then reverses or remains sideways. Then one bar, then remains sideways. So I'm seeing that behavior too often these days. It fakes out at every bar. It's a very tricky behavior. Don't know whether it wants to come down to meet the 21 SMA line or wants to go up. I expect it to come down a bit before starting to move up. So that's why I'm holding on to my position. Mhm. It's seems to have broken out of its range, but it's a lot of it looks fake as well. The market stagnated for like about 15 minutes now. Okay. 898. I'll close it here. It's just not relenting. Think it's going to come down. I want it to come down. I feel it's going to come down. It should come down from based on technical analysis, but it's not coming down. And when such things happen, when it comes down big time. And we, in such cases, we regret not holding onto the position. And so I'm trying my best to stay patient, but these are the testing times, this when a trader is tested. So so very important to have conviction in this profession. Because I have a couple of other positions also to concentrate on. So I'm going to place my stop here. Okay, it gets stopped, it gets stopped. And I'm going to stop it. Yeah, it got stopped. So only $1 of loss still to be recovered. So yeah, now its market is moving back up. So okay, sorry, I was showing this trade got, gave me profit, and then I did not try to trade too much here. I so I recovered that $19 of loss, most of it, more than 90% I recovered. Only $1 worth, $1 of loss is still pending. Now market is coming down, and this position also got closed here, as you see. So it's $82 of profit on this account. Um, and here market has to come down a little more for all my trades to close. So there is a red candle on a 15-minute chart. This one, so good rejection. So we have to wait and see whether market comes down or it overcomes this rejection. So I'll leave my position here, and again, the market is a bit tricky, though the market is at 15-minute 21 SMA rejection line. It is above 21 SMA line on both 2-minute chart and 5-minute charts. 2-minute and 5-minute chart. So it's a bit tricky. So I'm going to wait and watch with my funded accounts, and I will try aim to close this account, this position somehow. Is it going to come down further? I feel it should. And I have 3 contracts to close. All right, 2 got closed. For 1, I increased the target. This one has moved nicely. And I'm going to try and flatten it. I flattened it. So total $90 on this account. Not a whole lot, but got some. So 90 here, 82 here, so 170, and on this account it's $1 loss. So I got $170 so far in this pre-market. So all the weight that we had here resulted in this downside move. Market has picked up the liquidity from the bottom and now trying to move up. Mm, hmm. Is it going to fake me out or what? Not a time to take long trades, I believe. So I was hoping that market will go to 21 SMA line and then it will try to go down, but it's not doing much. Market will open in 12 minutes, 11 minutes in fact. Um, so I want to be clear out of my positions and wait for the market to settle down before opening a new position. So I need to get out of this position without hurting myself too much. Hmm. At some point I have to flatten it. When to do it is the question. I flatten it. So this account has $112 of loss. So I'm going to wait for the market to settle down before taking new trades. Oof. This is what I was talking about. It will take liquidity and run higher so fast. Seems like another trade in the making, long trade. It's just that the market is about to open. I'm going to take a chance again. If I can recover some of my losses, I'll be happy. So so far the liquidity grab trades haven't worked. Try twice, if not more. She'll definitely get stopped. No, I have to flatten it. Flattened. I have to live with this loss and wait longer to recover it. It's still bearish market. So that's where I am at. This account has $160 of loss. So which I have to recover. Market will open in exactly 2.5 minutes. The New York session. Market is open now, which is a European session. It's an European session. So market has opened and it has opened below yesterday's close. And making a good bullish run here. All right, market is reacting well at the VWAP level. Market is pushing higher and higher here, and I'm incurring losses. So I'm not doing my commentary because I'm focusing on a couple of open trade positions. So here I have a couple of positions open. I mean, a couple of contracts open. And I expect the market to come down to VWAP level. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, one contract closed. And here I'm going to bring the target down further. Oops, this is closed. So here I had a good profitable trade, about $85. So about $85 here in this one. And back to Quant Tower. I have one position open, which should get closed, and hope to bring this account to positive territory. So good rejection on 5-minute chart. We have seen on 15-minute chart as well. So what market actually did? Let's analyze. It opened lower, gap down, and it went up to grab the liquidity around yesterday's close and then started to come down again. So where will it go next? Hopefully it will come down to grab liquidity from here, which it formed when it market went up. So my outlook is still going to be short, and maybe I'm going to go aggressive and move my target on the quant hour chart and bring it lower. So that's my stance at this moment. If market goes back up, I will short here, add more contracts. So that's where I'm at now. Here on this account, I have 273. I'll trade different account now. If I want, I can go aggressive here. Okay. Since I have gone aggressive, I'll flatten this trade. $5 positive. It was like $106 negative. All right, market is coming down nicely. allowing me to go aggressive with my target. Oh, oof, that's a super move. Boy, that was some move. I'll take one for a trade here. Shoot, this is crazy. That's super crazy. I think market wants to go up. Okay, got closed. Okay, let's check this chart here. So market went up to this trend line and then reversed. Now what it wants to do? So here I have one more position open. Looking at quant hour. So and I need to trade here as well. I flattened it $164. So I've closed all my positions at this moment. And if I want to trade, I will trade this account. Which has oops. Yeah, okay. To show you guys, this is the account I'm trading at this moment. This is a 150K account, so I could afford to take some risk here. Let me draw my 5-minute candle at the New York Open. That 5-minute candle would be this one. All right. So what it tells about the market condition. So my prediction is market will eventually go up today because it picked up the liquidity and then started to move back up. So it will come down somewhere here and then again start moving back up. So that's my prediction. Let's see. So an open position here with some profit in it. All right, it's got closed. So I have no positions at this moment. I have the automated trader on and it took a trade here. Okay, one profitable trade. Oops, shoot. I did not realize that. I'll close it because that's not where I normally take trades. So So here I will wait for reaction. Here you go. So see some reaction here. So far, let's see what we have done so far. 60 is 180, about 300, and this is sim account, so 500 here. And on Quant Tower, I have 180 here and 90 here, so 270. So 500 plus 270 is 770. There's nothing on this account. And here 124, that's close to 900. And here 273. So 1173, close to 1173 I have. So 2 hours of trading yielded about 1173. So I expect the market to reverse and come back to 21 SMA level with a sharp move. At this level. Let's see if that happens. If that happens, I will take some trades. I've placed resting orders for them. I will grab something to drink and eat for myself. Yeah, there was a question on the chat which I did not see earlier. Do you pay trial on the algo? Not sure what he meant, but I'm guessing that he's asking if I have a trial. No trial for the automated. We provide extensive demo of the software during the live trades. Yeah, market is liquidating. What I had expected. Now it has crossed this low here. So let me draw my this order block is not valid anymore. So let me draw my next order block. Next order block would be here. This is my next order block. So some more support it should expect. If it breaks that support, then next order block is way down here. Yeah, so if market wants to come down, it can come down for sure, but it will face a order block here, and then some minor resistance here, but it's not an order block. Our next order block would be somewhere here. So that's order block. Expect to see some reaction, and then market will go back up, and then it will try to come down. It cannot come down all the way down here unless there is really bad news. And those who are interested in the funded accounts, you can purchase one of the funded accounts and support me. You'll get the best available discount with the code Sliver. The market is at the order block level now. Wants to grab all the liquidity it can. Excuse me. Let's see. Let's look at other markets. Bitcoin faced some rejection. With energy price going up, I was expecting Bitcoin to spike up significantly. But it has only moved up like 10-15% since the Iran war. So, whereas crude has doubled, crude is at 103. Is this not strange, guys? Since middle of February, crude started to spike up, and 28 is when Iran war started and market gapped up. And the price exploded from 57 to 103, kind of doubled. What does it tell us? Somebody predicted this Iran war. That's what it tells us. For about 2.5 months, crude surged very nicely before it spiked up. Let's look at the ATR. ATR is 41 on 1 minute chart. That's high. We've been trading in a high ATR environment. All right, I am ready to take an automated trade here and copying it to 150K account. All right, trade has been taken. Oh, I was showing the wrong screen. All right, I'm back. I received a call from someone, so I had to attend to that. All right, so here, am I out of all my positions? I think looks like that. So yeah, so that trade got me a couple of $100, looks like, or at least $150. There's another one. Um, another trade here. So that's another $50, but I copy traded with three contracts into, oh shoot, I was showing you guys wrong screen. I have to do something about this multiple screens. So I was copy trading, uh, copy traded into this account with three contracts. You see three contracts. Yeah, so that was $150 while it shows only 100 and only $50 here. 49.50 it shows here, but on the copy traded account it's 150. So you see here this account is at 373 at this moment. Um, so here all right, so here I'll wait for an opportunity to trade with let's look at it here. Okay, one trade has been taken. It's been copy traded into two accounts actually. Now the question is, if the market goes against me, where to add? So this is where I will add. So one more add. All right. Okay. So here 200, it's $58 of profit, and that has brought this account to 513 and this to 108. It was, I think, 60, it became 108. Oh, so some nice profits with um, some nice trades with software. Last two trades were taken using the software. I'm ready to take one more. Oops. Yeah, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it. Yeah, closed it quickly because I wanted to switch my account and I could not do it. I need not have actually. That's okay. Um, Now I'm going to do it here. All right, one trade has been taken. This I took manually, guys. If you have noticed, I had placed the order. I did not use the software. So you won't see that result anything here. So that resulted in $88 of profit in this account. And now I will trade this account. I've taken a trade on Quantower. Sorry, that was YRMD. That's a volumetric, not Quantower. Um, Hmm. So all right. I place some orders where it's likely to yield good results. All right. All right, one trade has been taken here. Another will get added. So I copy traded this trade into three different accounts. Yeah, I'm showing the wrong screen again. So here, this trade has been taken and I have copy traded it into three different accounts. All right. Oh, shoot, it went back so fast. Didn't give me a chance to react. Only $12 of profit. Oh, Why it's saying total profit target reached? It hasn't. It's only 256. What went wrong here? Did I? Oh, accidentally I put profit target as only 250. Shoot. So I'm going to take a trade manually here and close it. So I had to restart this software because accidentally I put the target of 250 and at 256 trade buttons got disabled. So to be able to start trading, automated trading again, I have to restart. I have to reload the Ninjatrader. So I'll make it 4 here, 2, start, super scalper, place one order here. Okay, it's been copied into two eval accounts. Um, So a couple of trades are here, open here, and a couple of trades on Quant Tower and YRM. So so this is the trade that's open. So good rejection here. Which could tempt us to add. Oops. All right, this account is very close to being funded. So if it closes here, if it meets the target, it should get funded. If it goes opposite, then I have to struggle some more. So I have placed my bets accordingly. Let's see what happens first. Very close. It's coming close, close, close. Coming, coming, coming. Come down. Some more. Just make a push. Huh. Just a few points. It missed. It's now moving back up, which means I have to wait a little longer. Almost there. Come on. Yes. Oh, touched it. Touched it and ran away. Yes. Do it. Again touched it and ran away. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. Guys, twice it came so close. Just touched it and ran away. Since this morning, and in fact yesterday, and always I have mentioned, it happens again and again and again and again. How it happens, I just don't know. Touched and it retraced back all the way to this high. So I'm going to go really aggressive. Just don't like this. It touched and went back. In fact, it had reached the target of 00. 53,000. I saw it reached. One tick, perhaps it missed. So I have to accumulate all my positions here so that I don't get affected adversely. Here I'm out of one position. It got stopped. Can't believe why, how this happens. Um, Earlier, I was saying that, at the support and resistance level, it did not come down too much. But here, it wasn't support and resistance, but the desired target. And if it missed the desired target by $5-10, I would have understood. But here, it missed by a tick, by just one tick. So that's what it is. So after that, I added to the position and trying to see if it can uh, come down again. Oof, this is crazy. I never understood this thing. When I want, where I have placed a target or even a resting orders get missed by a tick. All types of resting orders, new orders, target orders, buy orders, sell orders, just missed by a tick. It touches, sometimes it touches the price and then reverses. And probably I cannot do anything about it. It happened many times. Good thing is I do not have any other open position. So only lesson I get from this is, do not Aim for a target greater than 1 bar. 1 bar is what we can get at the most. When it comes to 2 bars, chances becomes exponentially low. 3 bars, forget it. Most of the time. And when there is a flow, there is a flow. There is now I have to work on it for long. I need one more contract. Right, 2 gone. Need a $90 target. Yeah, so this is where it comes. Okay. If it comes here, it comes here. Else I'm going to do it all over again. Hopefully this time it comes and meet my target and helps me fund this account. $92.25. Okay, hope this time it comes down. I'm not trading anything else, just focusing on this one. It came here. My target was here and it came there and reversed all the way back. And now it's coming again to my target, which is a few points higher because I had done all the adding, and it wants to go back up again. So let's see. Almost there. Almost. I feel like closing and restarting now, but I'm not going to do that. This is the trade. It has to fund this account. This is the trade. If it rushes up, I will do DC again. Almost. Yes. Done. So this funded 53,000. I'll move to the next account now. So what will happen here? Quickly, I'm going to short and add here, add here. Let's see what happens. Just going to place my SL here. If it gets taken out, I'll be fine, because I'm planning to close my sessions today a little early. Because I need to go out and so I'll try to start summarizing my day. So one account got funded. This one YRM account, this one, it got stopped, and let's start summarizing. Okay guys, so on YRM it's 278, and here we made 331, so about $600 here, and here $90, so 700, here 180, so 880, here 29, 880 plus 29, 900, a round number. So let me write down 900 on Quant Tower and Volumetrica. Now let's look at these numbers. On Ninjatrader, 900, 520, these two together 1450, 1450, 170 is 1720, 1720, and 170, 160 is 18, 1720, 1880. This is 2000. This is 2120. Or I'll make it a round number, 2100. So 2100 on NT. Let me do the math again so that nobody complains. 1450, and this is 1620, and this is 1780, this is 1900, 1780, 1900, and 2000. I'll just make it 2000. Or shall I do the math again? 1450, yeah, 1450, and this is 1620, this is 1880, then this is 2000, and this is 2120. Yeah, I'm right. So total is $3,000, and on Ninjatrader, which Ninjatrader wants to track and expects me to keep the record of all the trades that I have shown. So this is NT, Ninjatrader, including funded accounts, eval accounts, and SIM accounts. So everything included, it's 2100. So total 3000. Total 3000. That's the day today. So with that, I will end my live trading session where we had all positive accounts, no negative accounts today. And until the next trading session, a live trading session, this is Rao signing off. Happy trading. Have a great day. Bye now.